Hi, this is Anand from designtheway.com and welcome to my channel where I teach non-coders how to create beautiful websites using WordPress. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own website without any coding. Excited to learn? Let's get right into it. In this video, I will show you how you can create beautiful sites like these with simple drag and drop. So let's get started. To create your own website, you first need to have your own domain and hosting. Domain is the name of your website like www.yoursite.com. Hosting is the space where your website's file will be stored. To get your domain hosting, click on this link in the video description below. It will take you to the SiteGround homepage. Now, SiteGround is one of the most popular web hosting companies in the world. I personally use it for my website and also recommend it. Many industry leaders like Syed Balki of WP Beginner, Josh from Your Station, Ben from Elementor also recommend SiteGround. In fact, SiteGround is recommended by WordPress itself. To get started, go to Manage WordPress Hosting and click on Get Started. It will take you to the pricing page. Here I will choose the Grow Big plan, where you can host unlimited websites, and I will get a whole bunch of WP features like free WP install, free WP migrator, free SSL, free email, and in premium feature you will get free WP transfer by SiteGround experts, WordPress supercatcher, advanced on-demand backup, one-click WP staging, etc. Click on Get Plan. If you already have a domain, click on this option, I already have a domain. Otherwise, continue with Register New Domain. Let's type a domain name. I will type DTW Tuts. And from here, you can choose different extensions. I will continue with .com. Since I'm registering a new domain, I will keep domain registration on. And now click on Proceed. Great, the domain is available for registration. Now let's quickly fill up the details. Let's add the payment information. I will use my credit card. Here you can find your purchase information. The plan is Grow Big. My data center is Singapore. Since I'm located in India, it's nearest to me. You can change it from here. The plan is valid for 12 months. You can choose domain privacy, where your details will be kept in secret, and SG scanner, it will continuously monitor your website for malware infection. But for this website, I won't choose these options. So let's confirm the terms and condition. Click Pay Now. Great, our purchase is successful. Now it's time to install the WordPress. Let's click Proceed to Customer area. It will take you to the WordPress installation wizard. Now click on Start New Website. We'll choose WordPress from here. Now let's quickly fill up the WordPress login details. Remember to save these details as you would need them while logging into WordPress Dashboard. Let's click Confirm. I don't need these additional features. Click Confirm again. Click Complete Setup. Oops, let's first agree to the terms and condition. Now click Complete Setup. It's installing the WordPress for us. It will take a few moments. Okay, now it says it's taking a bit longer. So we'll get an email from the SiteGround once the WordPress is installed, and you can log in from there. Also check your registered email ID for more information related to this purchase and follow the steps. For now, click on proceed to customer area. This is the SiteGround admin panel. Let's go to my account. Here you can see all your domains and domain related information. Looks like our website is already set up. So let's click on this dtwtuts.com. Great, as you can see, our website is already live. SiteGround has already installed the SSL certificate for us. If you click here, you can see it's showing connection is secured and the URL is showing HTTPS. So far, we have purchased the domain and hosting and installed the WordPress. Now let's start creating the website. Now let's go to the dashboard. To go there, click in this URL. The URL should be your domain name / login. Here dtwtuts.com/login. It will take you to the WordPress login page. Enter the username and password that you entered at the time of WordPress installation. I will enter mine. Click remember and login. Now SiteGround will provide you a customization wizard, but we don't need this. Click exit. Again, SiteGround will give you a customized dashboard, but you don't need this one either. So scroll down and click on switch to default. So we are back to the default dashboard. Let's clean up the dashboard a bit. I will hide activity, custom dashboard, quick draft, WordPress events, welcome. Yeah, it's much better now. Now this is the place from where you can control your website from. Now let's install a theme. Go to appearance and click on theme. This is our current theme. Click on add new. Let's search for a theme called Astra. This is the theme we are going to use. Click on install. The theme is installed and click on activate. Now we can delete this 2019 theme. Click on theme details and click delete. Now we have just one theme. Now we will install a plugin. But first, let's go to plugin, install plugins. SiteGround has installed a couple of plugins for us. SG Optimizer to optimize your site and WordPress Starter that we saw in the dashboard initially. We don't need the WordPress Starter. Let's click deactivate and click on delete. Now we'll install a plugin for the templates. Templates are pre-designed website layouts with some dummy content. It will make website creation much more easier. To install the plugin, you can click either get started here or go to add new and search for Astra again. This is the plugin we are going to install. Click on install. Now we need to choose the page builder we are going to use. Here we will use Elementor. So click on Elementor and click next. Now here you can see a whole bunch of templates that you can use. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. We are going to use the free one. Let's click on the free tab. Let's choose a template for us. This one looks good. Let's click preview. This is how the template looks like. It's a beautiful template. Let's check what plugins it will install. It will install Elementor, Ultimate add-on for Gutenberg, and WP Forms Lite. Let's click Import Site. It will import the template with the dummy content. It will take few moments. Now the import is complete. Now click on Visit Site. Awesome. We have a beautiful looking site in front of us with simple click of a button. Now the template is imported. Now let's learn how we can edit the content. To edit the content of any page, simply go to the page and click on Edit with Elementor. To change the text, simply select and start typing like this. Similarly, you can change the text of this section as well. Now to link a button, click here and you can directly paste any link up here, or if you want to link to a page, start typing the page name and click on this. To change the background of this section, click here, go to Style and click here. You can upload any image directly here or go to Media Library and choose any image that you want. I am not going to change the image right now. Similarly, you can change each and every section you see here. You can also drag and drop to rearrange the sections. Suppose I want to place this section above this one. For that, let's right click on Navigator. Let's click on this section directly and now just simply drag it up here. As you can see, the section has moved up. It's as simple as that. Once you are happy with the changes, click on Update. It will save the changes. Let's preview the page. You can see the changes. This is the basic feature you get with Elementor for free. But if you want more features for more complex website, I will highly recommend using Elementor Pro. I will add the link in the description below. Let's move on. Now let's learn how we can customize the website even further. The section you see below the header to above footer is controlled by Elementor. Now if you want to change the header or footer, you need to do it in the customizer. To do that, click on Customize. Let's say I want to change the logo. Click on Layout, Header, Site Identity, and you can change the logo from here. Let's say I want to use this image. Click Select. I will skip cropping. As you can see, the logo is changed. You can change the Retina version as well. Let's do it now. You can change the site name from here. Let's change it. I don't need a tagline. Once you're happy with the changes, click on Publish. Similarly, for menus, click on Menu, Main Menu. This is the menu we are using. You can drag and drop the items to rearrange like this. I will drag it back over here again. Now, if you want to add new items, click on Add Items. You can add items from all these available sections. Let's say I want to add this page. Click on it and it will be added to the menu, as you can see here. But I don't need this one, so let's click over here and click Remove. You can also click on these blue icons to edit them directly. For example, if I want to edit the footer content, let's click on this icon. It will take you to the edit section directly. Now let's hit Publish. and let's close this window. Now, when you create a website, you want to have a contact form from where your visitors can contact you. In this template, you can find the contact form in the Get Fit page. Let's click here. This is the contact form you're using. Now let's adjust the settings so you can get the notification whenever someone contacts you. For that, let's get back to the dashboard. For this, I will use a cool feature from Elementor. Let's click Ctrl E. It will open the Finder tool, and I will start typing dashboard, and let's click on dashboard. It will take me to the dashboard directly. From here, go to WP forms and all forms. This is the form we are using. Let's click edit. Click on settings and notification. These are the two fields where you want to add your own email address, where you want to get the notification. Let's quickly change the email address. Let's save the changes and let's close this window. This is how you can change the setting of your contact form in WP Forms. Let's learn how you can manage your pages of the website. Let's go to Pages and All Pages. Let's go to the site. Let's say I don't want this publication page. Let's get back to the pages. Hover over the page and click on Trash. It will delete the page. Now to add a page, you can simply click on Add New. But I will show you a much smarter way to add a page. Let's get back to the page and let's click on Classes. Let's scroll down. You can see a register button here. Let's say I want to create a register page and use the same layout as this page. First, let's click Edit with Elementor. First of all, let's save this entire page as a template. To do that, click here and click on Save as Template. I will name the page as Page Template. The page is saved as a template. Now let's close this window. Now again, I will open the Finder tool, Ctrl E. I will type New and click on Add New Page. Let's go to Settings and change the name to Register. Now let's click on this folder icon. Let's go to My Templates and click on Insert. I want to import the setting. Click Yes. Now the template is successfully imported. All I need is to change the content. Let's change this one to Register. I don't want this section. Let's remove it. Now let's remove this section. Instead, I will have the registration form over here. Let's use the inner section. Let's drag it up here. Let's set the width of this section to 30% and we'll set the width of this entire section to 800. Here I will use the same contact form. Obviously we'll be using a different form in your website, but for now I will use the same form. Let's get back here, click on WP Forms and let's copy this shortcode. Back to the editor. Let's type short. Let's drag this shortcode widget and let's paste the shortcode over here. I will change the background of this section. go to style and change the background color to white. And in the advanced tab, I will set the padding to 50px. Now I want to use the same title as the get fit page. Let's go to the page again. Click edit with Elementor. I want to use the same title. Let's right click and copy. Come back here, right click, paste. Let's drag it up here and change the text to register. In the advanced tab, I will set the margin bottom to 30px. Now for this column, let's go to style, background type. Let's add an image. I will choose this one. Let's select this image and insert. I need to add a space over here. Let's drag it up here. Let's select this section again and set the content position to middle. Now let's adjust the image position a bit. Let's set it to center and size to cover. I think we can use the custom position. Let's drag the slider. I think it looks good. And now let's set a background overlay, and in the background color, let's select this text again. I will use the color of this text. Let's copy this color and paste it over here. Now again select this section, go to advanced tab, and the margin, let's set the margin top to minus 250 and margin bottom to 100px. It looks good now. Let's click publish and let's view the page. Okay, the image is not aligned properly. Let's get back to the editor again. Let's change the position a bit and let's update the page. Let's refresh it. Yeah, it's much better now. Now let's quickly add a border to this section. There you have it. This is how simply you can create and edit pages with Elementor. So to quickly summarize what you have learned in this video, we've learned how to buy domain and hosting, how to publish a website, how to install WordPress, how to install themes and plugins, how to edit content, how to set up forms, and how to manage pages. Now you can give yourself a big thumbs up. This is it for this video. I hope now you can create your own website. What type of website do you want me to create? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.